Hello everyone, welcome to today's session, and in today's session we will discuss about exercise 1.5 or chapter number 1, exercise 1.5, that is real numbers. Sixth question. Question number 6, that is if log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the values of 1 by x minus 1 by y, which is an important question. What is given? Given log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, which is given, right? See, let me write as it is. This is log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. What is the formula of log x plus log y? I mean, which is a product rule. Log x plus log y I can write as log xy. I can write it as log xy. Now, if you observe here, now which is in the form of m log a, which is in the form of m log a. If I remove the bracket, which is 1 by 2 into log xy, I can write it as log xy to the power 1 by 2. So, log xy whole to the power 1 by 2, I can write as log root xy. So, whole to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is in the sense which is root xy. Okay, left hand side as it is, that is log of x plus y by 3. Now, I can cancel both logarithms here. Log gets cancelled on both left hand side as well as right hand side. So, what is left over here? Which is here x plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Cross multiplication. So that is x plus y equal to 3 into root xy. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That is x plus y whole square equal to 3 root xy whole square. I mean, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the formula of a plus b whole square? The formula of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to, here square belongs to 3 as well as for root xy. Square root gets cancelled. 3 square value 9 and xy. Now what you do? Transpose 2x towards right hand side. X square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. So x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy, that is 7xy. 9xy minus 2xy, that is equal to 7xy. Got it? Now, actually they are asking to find the value of 1 by x minus, find the value of x by y plus y by x, they are asking. Find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, now what you do? Here xy, here we have 7xy divided by I mean x square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. So here x gets cancelled. In this 1y and y gets cancelled. xy gets cancelled. So here we have one more x by y, plus here we have one more y by x, that is equal to 7. They are asking to find out the value of x by y plus y by x. So what is the value of x by y plus y by x? 7. So given log of x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, which is product rule. Log x plus log y I can write as log xy. Now which is in the form of m log a. M log a we can write as log a to the power m. I mean log xy to the power 1 by 2. Xy power 1 by 2 we can write as root xy. Now log gets cancelled. X plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Cross multiplication, x plus y equal to 3 into root xy. Squaring on both sides, x plus y whole square is equal to 3 root xy whole square. X plus y whole square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 3 square value 9xy. Now I transpose 2xy, that is minus 2xy, 9xy minus 2xy, 7xy. Divided by xy on both sides, x square by xy, y square by xy equal to 7x by xy. X gets cancelled. X square in the sense one more x will be x by y. Here y square in the sense y into y, one more y by x equal to 7. Which is an important question. Okay. Coming to 7th question. So 7th question is, if 2.3 whole to the power x is equal to 0.23 whole to the power y equal to 1000, then find the values of 1 by x minus 1 by y. What is given? 2.3 whole to the power x equal to 0.23 whole to the power y equal to 1000. This is given. Now equate 2.3 whole to the power x equal to 1000. 2.3 whole to the power x equal to 1000. In the second case, 0.23 whole to the power y equal to 1000. So 1000 we can write as 10 cube. Here also 1000 we can write as 10 cube. Now here it is power whole to the power x transpose. So 2.3 which is equal to 10 to the power 3 by x. Here 0.23 is equal to 10 to the power 3 by y. Got it? It is here power x transpose. Here also power y, it becomes 3 by y. Now listen carefully. Here 0.23. This 0.23 I can write as 2.3 by 10. 0.23 I can write as 2.3 by 10. Because when we are dividing by 10, I mean we have 1 0, this decimal point shift towards left hand side 1 digit. I mean 0.23 we can write as 2.3 by 10 is equal to 10 to the power 3 by y. So as we know that 2.3, what is the value? What is the value of 2.3? The value of 2.3 is 10 to the power 3 by x. The value of 2.3 is 10 to the power 3 by x. In place of 2.3, I can write as 10 to the power 3 by x divided by 10 is equal to 10 to the power 3 by y. Here nothing means 1. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. Bases are equal. Power should be subtracted. 10 to the power 3 by x minus 1 is equal to 10 to the power 3 by y. Again, as bases are equal, power should be equated. 3 by x minus 1 is equal to 3 by y. Now, here 3 by y is there. It is on right hand side, transpose, and this minus 1 you transpose to 3 by y, transpose to the left hand side, minus 1 you take towards right hand side. As we have 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1. 3 by y take left hand side, minus 1 you take to the right hand side. So here, if I take 3 as common, I will get 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. As 3 is multiplying here, transpose 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. Okay, they are asking to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is 1 by 3. Okay, this is about 7th question. Coming to 8th question. If 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So the given is given 2 to the power x plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 1 minus x. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. I mean log 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 to the power 1 minus x. It is in the form of log a to the power m. Here also log a to the power m. The formula of log a to the power m is m log a. I mean x plus 1 into log 2 equal to 1 minus x into log 3. So x into log 2, x log 2 plus 1 into log 2, 1 log 2 is equal to 1 into log 3, 1 log 3 minus x into log 3, x log 3. Right? Right? X terms in one side and constant terms other side. Here we have x log 2 minus x log 3 transpose. It will become plus x log 3 equal to log 3 as it is. This plus log 2 transpose, it will become minus log 2. Now, as x is common here, I can take x as common. So I have here log 2 plus log 3 equal to log 3 minus log 2. here x into this term is multiplying here transpose, so x is equal to log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 3. See, as it is in the form of log x minus log y or log a minus log b, I can write as log a by b, as it is in the form of log a plus log b, log a into b, I mean log 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So what is the value of x? The value of x is log 3 by 2 divided by log 6. Okay, this is our 8th question. Yeah, coming to 9th question. Is log 2 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So what is the question? Log 2 is rational or irrational? Okay, given log 2, let this is common logarithm, let it be base is 10. So what you do, let log 2 base 10 you consider as x. Log 2 base 10 equal to x, say, which is our logarithmic form. Convert into exponential form, that is 10 to the power x equal to 2. 10 to the power x equal to 2. See here, as 2 we cannot write in the power of 10. So we cannot write 2 as 10 to the power something. Yes or no? Here we got 10 power x is equal to 2. We got 10 power x is equal to 2, but 2 cannot be written as, but 2 you can write here, but 2 cannot be written as 10 to the power of n, 10 to the power of n for any natural number n. For any natural number n, therefore log 2 is irrational. Log 2 is irrational. Okay, in this only we have a second question. Second question is log 100 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. So once if we go with this, you will understand first question also easily. Okay, again let log 100 to the base 10 is equal to x. Let it be as x. It is in logarithmic form. Convert it into exponential form. 10 to the power x is equal to 1000. So as 100 I can write as 10 to the power 2. 10 square, 10 tens are 100. As 100 I can write as 10 power 2. As bases are equal, power should be equated. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 2. Whereas in the case of here 10 power x is equal to, we got 2. 2 we cannot write as 10 to the power of n. But here 100 we can write as 10 to the power 2. That's why here log 2 is irrational, but here log 100 is rational, because we got the answer 2. 2 is what? It is a rational. 2 I can write as 2 by 1. But here I can't write 2 as 10 to the power of n something. That's why log 2 is irrational and log 100 is rational. Okay, by this we completed our chapter number 1. Okay, I hope you all understood this chapter. once you go through the all the sums so that you will understand the full topic. Thank you.